Hello all my viewers around the globe, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can replay chats as you can see them replaying themselves. So just stick with me until the very end. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Small Crypto. With that said, let's dive into the video. So when you want to replay chats or replay candles, you come here on Snapchat using Binance. So click here. So under here you will come on launch BTC USDT chat in the right corner and click here. So this is how it will look like. You come here on replay, just come here, replay bar, and you click it. So after clicking it, you start from where your chats are right now or the candles. You move them until to where you want to stop them. Then you click 2 times there. Then after there, then you will come here on play. So when you play, when you come here, you can first play or you can first change the replaying speed. So when you can see here from here, there is 10x, 3x, 1x, 0.5. So you change it depending on which one that you wish. So suppose we want like it 1x. So when you click 1x, you can see that they are moving, but they are moving in 1x. So if you want to add on the speed, you come here and change to 10. So you can see that now they are moving at a very high speed. You can see them how they are moving, of course. So that's all. That's how you can do. And repeatedly, if you want to do it more, you come here down, you click here, then you come back and do the same as you did the first time. You click 2 times. So once you click here, it will replay itself until where you want the chat to stop or where you recommended it to stop. So it depends how you have recommended it. So if you want to make your videos to look nice on social medias and you want to use chats or candles when they are moving, when you're teaching people, please, you can use replay chats as I have told you. Hope you've got everything well. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Small Crypto. Bye for today. Good luck.